Sketch a graph of the parabola x equals y squared plus 10y plus 8a. Well, notice this is not in our form that we're used to. So unfortunately, we're going to have to do something you've always wanted to do. Here's a hint. Yep. Complete the square. This time for the y's. Remember, to complete the square, there's two things that must happen before you do so. The leading coefficient must be a 1, which we do. And the variable has to be by themselves. So we're going to isolate the y terms by subtracting 18 from both sides. Remember, to complete the square, after those two steps are done, what's half of 10? 5. Squared? 25. We're going to add 25 to both sides. The left-hand side is x minus 7. I'm putting the parentheses there on purpose. The right-hand side factors as the variable, followed by half that linear coefficient, quantity squared. Okay. What coefficient is in front of this x minus 7? Good, it's a 1. So looking at this now, I need an h, a k, and a p. H is always with x. What does h equal to? 7. Oh, you know what? I just realized something. That should be x plus 7. Sorry about that. I'm a bad person. That means h is really negative 7. What is k equal to? Negative 5. Got that one right. What is p equal to? Very good, 1/4. The coefficient of the linear side is 4p. So if 4p equals 1, that means p is 1/4. Squares on the y, p is positive. What direction is it going to open to? To the right. Very good. Squares on the y mean it's horizontal. P is positive, open to the right. So we're going to plot the point negative 7 comma negative 5. That'll be your vertex. I don't think I gave you enough room here. It's going to open up to the right. What are you going to do? Your p is very small. It's only 1/4. So if your vertex says negative 7, negative 5, your focus is going to be 1/4 to the right of your vertex. So that's going to be negative 6.75 comma negative 5 because you moved 1/4 to the right. So right about there. And your directrix will be 1/4 to the left. Well, that's going to be x equals let me get rid of that equal sign here. X equals negative 7.25 or negative 7 1/4, your choice. So we have a very squishy graph because our p-value is very small. It's 1/4. Later on, for ellipses and whatnot, we may have to complete the square twice because we're going to have two squared terms. So hooray.